EPA and WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for November 25th, 2020. Little programming note before we start the video, we are going to be taking off on Thanksgiving Thursday, and our next scheduled video is going to be Friday morning. That is not only for the video, but our public forecasts are going to be skipped on Thursday as well, giving the forecasters the day off, and we will have, when I say we have a day off, we always have one person on that's considered a skeleton crew. And we kind of draw straws for that. But we have one person that's going to stay on board here on Thursday and do all the private stuff that we have for EPA-WA. But the public side of things, the daily forecast, the video, will not resume until Friday morning. So keep that in mind. This is going to be the next, or the last video before that point. But in the near term here, we have a system that's going to be coming in here on overnight tonight and into Thanksgiving Day. Now, I want to give you the timing of this because I don't think it's as bad as it looked a few days ago. It looked like maybe Thursday was going to be an all-day washout. I don't think that's going to be the case. Today we will have mostly cloudy skies. A warm front that is going to be moving through the region, but I think any shower activity is going to be across the far northern tier with this warm front. And we can see that on the NAM high-res Future Simulator radar, and starting this off at 1 p.m. This is generally a mid to late afternoon deal, maybe like a 2 to 6 window here across the far northern parts of Pennsylvania. A few showers with that warm front, and you can see what the warm front is very easily. That's going to be moving into New York State. And then the rest of us are going to remain mostly cloudy and going to remain that way straight through the evening. And then once we get into late evening or just around midnight or just after, you're going to have some showers moving across the region. That's going to go into Thursday morning. Okay, so this is Thanksgiving here. This is Thursday morning at 7 a.m. I think the steadiest rain is going to exit rather early. We're going to have some intermittent showers continuing up until about noon. Here's noon on Thursday. So this is Thanksgiving at noon. And there's your line of demarcation as far as no rain versus still some scattered showers to the east of that line. But these scattered showers to the east here are probably going to end in the early to mid-afternoon hours, and that moves off the coast as well. So I don't think Thanksgiving is going to be a total wash. It's going to be a little wet in the morning. After that, we should have some improving conditions. As far as at least no rain, I think you're going to remain mostly cloudy the rest of the day, but you're still going to have no rain to deal with later in the day. So for all of your plans here on Thanksgiving, they should be just wet in the morning, a little bit better in the afternoon for any travel or anything like that, so that you're going to be going to families and things like that. So not as bad as it looked like a few days ago, but once this moves through, we are going to turn mostly clear overnight on Thursday night. Once this moves out, it's going to move out rather quickly. And then we are going to remain mild here on Friday. Thursday is going to be a mild day, either side of 60 degrees for highs. Today, a little bit cooler than that, maybe lower 50s or thereabout, getting up to about 60 on Thursday. Still remaining warm on Friday. So a lot of you are like me and like to put up the Christmas decorations, the outdoor decorations on Black Friday while my wife goes shopping. This year's a little bit different with COVID and things like that, so maybe you're not shopping, you might have some help this year, but I'm looking to put it up on Friday. Friday's going to be a partly to mostly cloudy day, but it's still going to remain mild, and temperatures are going to be generally in the upper 50s and near 60s, so it's a good day to do it. If you haven't done it yet, and you're looking at, I didn't take advantage of the mild temperatures we had last weekend, and I want to do it, I want to get a nice mild day to put up these lights so I'm not freezing my hands off and everything else while I'm doing it. This is a good day to do it. Okay, so Friday is a partly to mostly cloudy day with temperatures in the upper 50s and near 60, and then partly cloudy here over the weekend, partly to mostly sunny actually. Here's Saturday, expecting temperatures in the lower 50s again, and then near 50 or maybe in the upper 40s here for highs on Sunday, but expecting mostly sunny skies. Now next week, there's some really crazy things going on here, very crazy things, and the models are trying to figure out what exactly this is going to do. And the problem that they're having here is there's a split flow jet, okay? So there's basically a cutoff upper level low with a deep, very deep trough trying to come in here at the same time. I do think for this system on the 30th, which is Monday, into December 1st, which is Tuesday, it is going to be a primarily rain event for this region. Okay, so we're going to have some rain, might even have some heavy rain with this. I do think the system cuts off to our west I know there's some solutions that are trying to do some wacky things here, especially with the GFS. GFS looks totally lost with this system next week, and it has a cutoff upper level low with a split flow jet. It just can't figure it out, okay? So this is going to bounce around a little bit over the next couple of days. Hopefully by the next time we do this video on Friday, I'll have a better answer for you, but it does look like it's going to be rain, and there could be a decent amount of rain if the European model shown here is correct, and it could be some wind issues with here on Monday afternoon and evening as this frontal boundary moves through. And then behind it, once this moves through, you get this deep trough move in. You got an upper level low, cutoff upper level low, that's sitting here over the Ohio Valley. Okay, and there could be some snow showers around here on Tuesday morning, maybe even longer than that. Okay, this is just going to be lingering here over the Great Lakes region, we think. And again, this is still evolving. We have no idea what this is going to do, because when you have a cutoff upper level low, I would say the cutoff upper level lows are probably the most difficult things to forecast, especially in advance. So, you know, we're just going to have to play it by ear once we get a little bit closer, hopefully narrow down the solution and we get some kind of convergence. Because right now, every single model is way, way, way all over the place with this. Okay, so we do expect to be on the warmer side of the system, though. The chances this is going to turn into some big snow event for us is probably very, very slim. So I wouldn't hang your hats on that. But there could be some decent amounts of rainfall here on Monday and Monday evening, maybe into Tuesday morning with some leftover rain or snow showers. And this might be hanging around to Wednesday, too. So we'll see. We'll see how that plays out exactly. But everybody enjoy their holiday. And we'll join you back here again on Friday and hopefully have some better answers for you with what's going to happen with this system here next week. But it does look like a very impactful system nevertheless. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 25th, 2020. Have a great Wednesday.